Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to view TikTok draft on PC, access and manage the draft. The Firstly, how to view and transfer TikTok draft to a PC. So save draft to your device. Open the TikTok app and go to the profile. Now tap the draft folder to view your saved draft. Then open the draft you want to transfer and turn on the save to device option and save the video to the phone gallery. Now if the save option is unavailable, test the video privacy to only me, post it and then download it to your device. Now transfer draft to the PC. So for Android, connect your Android phone to the PC using a USB data cable. Now open the phone and select file transfer mode when prompted. Now open File Explorer on your PC and then navigate to the DCIM, movies or TikTok folder and locate the saved video. Now copy the videos to the preferred folder on your computer. Now for iPhones, transfer videos using AirDrop for the Mac only user. So the iCloud Drive or Google Drive or another cloud storage service. You can also connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable and sync the file through the Photos app or File Explorer. Now access and upload from your PC. So once the videos have been transferred, open the theme on your computer to review your edit. Then sign in to the TikTok on your web browser. Now click upload and select the transferred video file. Add caption, hashtag and other detail before publishing your content. Goodbye and thanks for watching.